In this video, we'll demonstrate how to customize the notifications panel on iPhone. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Customizing your iPhone's notification panel with your most used items is important for daily use. These are essential features of your device's interface, allowing you to access important information and quick settings easily. As you can see, now the notification panel is not customized, so a lot of useful things are not showing up here. To begin the process, let's first access the Control Center on iPhone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your device. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Scroll down the Settings menu and look for the Control Center option. Tap on it to access the Control Center settings. Within the Control Center settings, you will find a list of available controls. These controls include quick access to features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Now let's explore how to add controls to the Control Center. Here's the process. Inside the Control Center settings, scroll through the list of controls. You'll see a variety of options. To add a control to the Control Center, simply tap the green plus icon next to the control you want to add. You can add as many controls as you like I added accessibility shortcuts, low power mode, notes, etc. After adding controls to the Control Center, it's time to access both the notification panel and Control Center simultaneously. To do it, just wipe down from the upper corner of your device's screen. This action will reveal the Control Center at the top and the notification panel below it. Take a moment to observe how the controls you added appear in the notification panel. These controls provide quick access to various settings and features. As you can see, those are successfully added to the iPhone notification panel. This is the first step in utilizing the full potential of your device's interface. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.